Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. So, yesterday, by the end of the day, I think we ended up a little over $31,000 for the day. Today, looks like we're opening up pretty strong, up 9,000 or so. That puts us right back, I think, to pretty close to what our high was, even though may have made some silly trades. And so 254. So we're $1,000 away from our all-time high again, which is neat because Tesla is still $20 away from all-time high. So I think it was like 890 or something like that. So when it hits that, well, that's another $5,000. Um, Plus everything else that we'll get on our credit spread. So looked at some of our positions here. Wanted to roll these guys out. I think it's been a while since I've done one, just kind of step by step and what I look at. So only 33 cents left to gain. I usually don't like to keep them when they're expiring, even that next week. So usually the latest I would roll them out would be a Monday, but only 30 cents left here to gain. So I'm going to go ahead and move these guys out. Um, Trade options, go to the expiration date, and scroll down till we find some pluses and minuses. Let me grab my pen out here real quick. All right, so we are going to find the one with the plus, hold that down until it highlights, buy back the one with the negative. So we're buying back the 740s, selling the 735s, and let's roll these guys out. 740, 735. We're gonna roll these into March. And we're going to roll these into, let's roll these into 750. It's a little bit, $5 increments there. So a little bit over $100 out of the money. All right, let's see if everything looks good. All right. So a couple things I like to see at least, about a 20% return. This is actually a bit more because we're still paying back the 30 cents for the other ones. So the one I'll open up a fresh one too after we collect this collateral. And as usual, I forget how many we have. I think it was 3. Let me see here. Oh, now we have 4. Let's see if I can collect $118. All right. They don't want to give us 118, so we'll have to lower what we're looking for a little bit. About 115. Cool. Got those filled, so we just rolled those out, added another $460 to the account, and let's see. How's the SPY doing this morning? We're up, so I have a couple of these guys I could close those anytime. And I just want to take a look, see if I had anything here worth rolling over. Oh yeah, 33 cents here, baby. So we have 37 of these. 37 at 37 cents. All right. Oh, and I just didn't take a note of when these were for. Those are the lowest ones I have. Cool. So buy back 700s, sell the 695s, and let's go out. See if these are available in the correct increments. They are not. So that must have been why I was selling up there. Okay. Let's do this just so we can learn something here. So here's an example. We have 37 credit spreads, and we want to roll over that $500 collateral around the 700, 690. I want to have some lower. It's still 150. I mean, I guess we could do, we could go a little bit up, but it's $150 out of the money, which I feel is super safe. And we want to do the 700, 690s, right? So we're going to have to open up one of these for every two of the other credit spreads that we're going to sell because we need twice as much collateral. I guess not necessarily true. We could double the collateral, but I don't want to do that. I want to use the same amount. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and select this. So we're moving a $5 spread to a $10 spread. 37 of them is what we own, but we're only going to move 36 of them because we need an even number. So if you've never done this, this is how you do it. So you have, we're moving from the February 19th, 700, 695s to the March 19th, 700, 690s. Up here, they have edit ratios. So in our case, we want to find the 219. We can change that to a quantity of 2 and the other 219. So we will close 2 of these, the 219s, for every one of these that we open. Pretty simple. And we have 36 that we're going to want to do with. So that is a total of 18 because 18 times 2 is 36. So let's see, which way is this moving? Let's see if we can get $1.35 for these. All right, we got filled, so we added $2,400 to the account. Right there, moving those, and then we still have one left. Let's see, it gave us $6,000 worth of buying power. So I heard Tesla is on sale. I bought one share this morning, so we'll go ahead and buy one of these. Yeah, Tesla's been on sale for a while, but I don't think we're gonna see below 800 again. So that was my theory yesterday. Kind of wish I would have taken more cash and put it in there, but oh well. So bought one more Tesla share, and then the other thing we're going to do is let's grab some money. $1,000. Let's cool. Always nice to take out a little bit of money here and then. Get yourself paid. And I think that is about it. I'm kind of eyeing these guys. I think we only have a couple more days where we might move these out to collect some more. But oh, and we still have our one single 700, 695. That one's left because it was, since we had 37 of these, we moved 36. And And maybe we'll let that one hang out. Let's grab one more brand new one since we have not opened up a fresh one for a while. So we want to go about 6 weeks out, right? So 2, 3, 4, 5, March 12th. And I like about $150 out of the money, 20% premium. So at 858, that's going to be right around 710. They don't have 710s here. Some dates on the dates that are not like the actual monthlies. So you'll notice like one date, I think it's the third Friday. It's considered a monthly, and you can see like as you go on, you'll get just like March, April, June. You only have one, and then as we get closer, they'll fill in the weeks. But let's grab a March. We say 7. $710. So $720, $710, that puts us about $150 out of the money. So we'll sell the $720, buy the $710, $230. Yeah, it's over 20%. Cool. So let's open up one of these guys. Cool. We just gained another $233 into our account. So I'm not sure what that did overall. I think we must have just put $2,500 or so cash, opened up an additional one, and bought another share of Tesla since they are on sale. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day, great week. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, make a lot of money.